everyone, my name's Aileen. I'm a trainer with OffLeash NorCal, and for the last 2 weeks I've been working with Stella. Stella is a mini Australian Shepherd who is 6 months old and comes to us from San Clemente, California. Stella struggled with normal puppy behavior like jumping, puppy nipping, and she does love to herd and bite at ankles. So we have been working on her manners and making sure that she will be ready to be out in public and have fun with her owners while being respectful of everyone and their space.
You got lots to say. I'm sorry if you feel unchecked out when you had lots to say.